Hi everyone, this is Stacy in Japan of Demois Journeys, and I'm going to talk briefly about driving in Japan. So if you are coming over to Japan and your position requires that you drive for your job, please take note of this video. The good thing about driving in Japan is that we drive on the same side of the road in Jamaica, which is on the left hand side. So that's one less thing for you to worry about when you come to drive in Japan. Please be careful on the roads of Japan, especially if you are placed in the country areas. In the country areas, they tend to have a lot of very narrow roads. Yes, the first time I was on one and I saw a vehicle approaching, I was like, are we both supposed to be on this road driving? Because there was like really very little space for us both to pass at the same time. But after being in Japan 4.5 months, I realized that this is the practice. It's a common thing to have these teeny tiny roads and vehicles passing each other on these teeny tiny roads, or stopping ahead where the road is much wider and allowing vehicles to pass. Now, when you come to Japan, chances are you are going to be using your navigation system. Yes, I currently use Google navigation, and what Google tends to do is give you the shortest route. They do provide several options if those are available for you to get to your destination, but usually the one they recommend is the shortest route. And guess what? This is the one that usually has the very narrow roads for you to drive on. So if you want to avoid these narrow roads, you can, but chances are you are going to end up in more congestion. But if you're just coming for the first time, it's not such a bad thing. So please be sure to like this video if you have had experiences driving in Japan. Please share them with us, put them in the comments below, and enjoy your time in Japan. Be careful on the roads, please be careful. And I have a very small car, just to let you know, one of those really narrow cars. It's a Suzuki wagon, and I am so happy it is so small. It's not such a bad thing to have a small car in the country area of Japan. But there are a lot of regular cars, of course, all over in Japan. But just be careful and be wise when you're choosing your car based on where you live and the routes you would normally take to get to your destinations. Bye for now. Stacy in Japan. Take care.